222 doesn't appear when life is loud. It appears when something inside you is ready to stabilize. It's the universe saying, slow down, recenter. What's meant for you is aligning. If this message already resonates, you can tap subscribe so the next guidance finds you when you need it. 222 is the frequency of balance, patience, and divine timing. You'll notice it when you're pushing too hard instead of trusting the process. You're guided to choose peace over urgency. You're about to receive support you didn't expect. It means, don't force, flow. Everything is lining up behind the scenes. And if you ever wonder how your life path affects the way your life, the book link is in the description. If you're single, 222 prepares your energy for a partnership built on mutual effort. Not chasing, not guessing. Two people meeting in the middle. If you're in a relationship, it's a call to communicate gently. Small conversations prevent big misunderstandings. Unity grows through softness, not tension. If it's complicated, 222 asks, is this connection calming you or confusing you? Because harmony and chaos cannot coexist. Your body wants rhythm. 222 reminds you to create balance. Balanced sleep, balanced meals, balanced mental load. Burnout isn't a personality trait. It's an ignored signal. Bring simplicity back and your energy will rise. 222 is financial stability and progress. It means small, consistent actions will outperform dramatic leaps. Save slowly, build steadily, and trust that opportunities aligned with peace are the ones that last. For deeper clarity on how your life path handles money, the book in the description breaks it down number by number. 222 is the universe placing a gentle hand on your shoulder saying, don't rush, you're aligning. If this grounded you, tap like and subscribe with the bell so the next message reaches you right on time. And your life path book is waiting in the description whenever you're ready to understand your deeper pattern.